Hello crafters, today I'm sharing a requested video tutorial of pop-up birthday card. It's a requested video and the complete look of the card I did in pastel combination and decorated it with some tags, laces and embellishments, stickers. So let's just take a look inside as well. So I just did it with the scraps I was left with for reference purpose. Here you can write your name or messages or paste pictures. It turned out to be very cute and simple. So I'll be sharing how to make the base of this card in the next slide. Welcome guys, so I will be doing the base with the pastel sheet which I have right now in front of you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I painted my nails to make this video long. I hope this deserves a like too. So the sheet that I have taken is of around 5 inches. In breadth. You can take it as much as you want, 6, 7, any. So, and in the length side I've taken, it's a bit longer than the 12 inches, so I will be trimming it into 12. Here I have taken a 1 centimeter gap, around 1 centimeter it is, and it's divided into 5 to 10 and then around 1/4 inch of gap. It's 5 inches, then 10 inches around, and the gap is around 1/4 inch. Yes, it's 1/4 inch. Now for the middle cake part, I'm taking a blue pastel sheet. For those who know how to make this cake base I have done in the middle, can skip this part. I'm marking at 26 centimeter for the length. And for the breadth I will be marking at 10 centimeter. So I will be cutting this whole rectangle out. Now I will be folding it into half. A little bit is showing underneath, so I will be trimming it off. Now I am leaving around 1 to 1.5 centimeter from each sides of the folded corner, and taking a breadth of 4 to 4.5 centimeter. Now that I have drawn the rectangle, I will be giving cuts on both the sides of 4.5 centimeter, which I drew before. Now I'm folding it along the line, and this will be our first base ready of that cake, and we have to make the second base of this over the first one. Now I'm taking any one of the sides, not the middle one, take any one of the sides and giving the same gap, cutting at the same gap and leaving from all of the sides, and repeating the process, same process which I did before. Now I'm taking a sheet or a pastel sheet which is around 6 inches to 10/4 inches. Make sure that the paper is thin, then the folds will be much sharper. Now folding the paper into half. And I'm taking this folded side from the right, and making an angular fold. I'll be making an angular fold towards left. This side towards left, making an angle and folding it into a triangle. This opening side has to be on the upper side, and this short vertical side has to be downwards. Now I will be marking at 2.5 inch gap, leaving a 1 centimeter from the left side, then marking at 2.5 centimeter gap on the opening side. Make sure that you are doing it on the opening side. I'm very sorry for this part. It went out of the frame without knowing. You will understand once you see it. I'm just folding it in a zigzag along the line equally. Now when you are opening it, you can see these triangles formed, and then you need to fold those folds which are inwards. You need to fold it upwards. Now here you need to watch it carefully. Take the two upward folds, pressing them. It doesn't need to be perfect. What I'm doing is just taking the middle, pushing the middle one inwards and taking the upward folds and pressing it together like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. So one side is done. I will be repeating the same process on the second one as well. Here I have done on both the sides. Now the middle part, I will be folding it inwards like this. So you can see that it's done. Now I've made another one for both the sides, repeating the same process. Now I will be just sticking it on the two sides. Now the cake base which I made previously, I will stick it and our card will be ready. So our card is almost ready. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you hit the like button and share.